What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Alrighty guys, so as you guys can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today we are doing a highly requested video. You guys love just the natural glams, and I love giving it to you guys, but a lot of my natural glams is keyword glam, okay? But today I really want to give you guys something very natural, everyday. Like, I know I be saying every day, but I'm a makeup girl, so every day for me is different for every day for some other girls. But this is just everyday friendly. I mean, if you're in school, you guys can wear this to school. This is like such summer and spring friendly as well, because it's very hydrating. It looks young, it looks fun, it looks fresh, it looks natural. From quick glance, you probably could think this is like my natural face. Maybe, I don't know, I feel like it's giving natural. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Somebody might be in the comments and be like, girl, that's a lot of makeup. But with today, I really wanted to minimize the steps. I think I probably did maybe like, what, 10 steps in today's video. I wanted to keep the products very affordable. The products that are a little bit on the higher end side, I always let you guys know the dupes that I have available or that are available for you guys to purchase. But I really wanted today's video to be a 10-minute makeup look, okay? This is something that you want to do when you're in a rush, when you're meeting somebody for the first time, but you don't want to do too much with your makeup. What you want to do when you're going to school, you're going to work. This look is just super friendly, and it's for everybody, especially the girls that don't like too much makeup. So like I said, if you're having a hard time following these tutorials that have 10,000 steps and 10,000 products, this is the video for you. If you just want to look natural with a light kiss of makeup, this is for you. If you love that no makeup look, this is for you. So if you guys are interested in seeing how we achieve this gorgeous glam, please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so first thing you want to do is you want to cleanse your skin. Even if you washed your face in the shower for your morning routine or before you go out, whatever the case may be, you really want to clean your skin. And what this does is create a perfect base for makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and take this moisturizer. This moisturizer that I'm using is a little bit more on the pricey side. I believe it's $30. So a perfect dupe to this will be the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Moisturizer, which is one of my favorites, and that's only like $9. You can get that at Walgreens, Target, you know, little drugstores. So after I work that on my skin, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Power Grip. There's not much of a difference between the original Power Grip and this one. This one just, it's supposed to plump your skin a little bit more. This is also retailing for like $8 to $9. So this is a nice primer, especially for like a summer and spring kind of look. So for foundation, I'm taking the I Am Magic Juvias Place Foundation. This is their Radiant Skin one. This retails for $23. Wow, I can't believe I know this off the top of my head. But I'm literally going in with half, like basically one pump. Because I went half and then I went another half. But I'm lightly just like kind of working this into my skin with my fingers. This is what's going to give that natural skin finish. So if you want like a skin finish look, there's 3 steps to this. 1, you want to use a hydrating foundation. Mattifying is going to give you very much full coverage, but something like this is going to give, you know, skin. So use a hydrating foundation. 2, don't go in with too much product. And 3, blend it out with a sponge instead of a brush. A brush is going to give us more of a full coverage look. However, a sponge is really going to kind of like, you know, dull things out, but in a good way. Takes off any extras that you don't need, and it just leaves you with a nice hydrating skin finish. So next up, I'm going to take a concealer. I'm a big fan of the hydrating concealers, but this is the one that I had on me. This is the e.l.f. Camo concealer, but this is their mattifying formula. So when you're concealing your face, you know, typically we conceal our under eye, our forehead, the bridge of our nose, under our chin, above our lip. We do the whole shebang. But for a natural look, you literally can apply a little bit of concealer under your eye, smooth it out with a flat brush, and then blend it back out with a sponge. The sponge that I'm using is from Paw. You get like 8 of them for $9. So great deal. You can get that on Amazon, which I will link my Amazon storefront down below. So as you guys see, still very natural, okay? This is optional, but I would rather you guys not skip this step. I'm going to take a cream contour. I'm using black opal and I'm using shade hazelnut. So with the cream contour, what it does is it's bringing warmth back into your skin. I just contoured the cheekbones, a little bit on the bridge of my, not the bridge, but the side of my nose, and then my forehead. Like I said, we're just bringing back color into the skin. I'm using an angled brush from Wet n Wild, which is literally sold at the Dollar Tree. $1. And yeah, you just want to work this into the skin so you can have a little bit more definition. So even though we're going for very natural, we still want to balance our face out. You don't just want a flat canvas. I'm sorry if you guys hear a noise in the background. Simba is moving. So this is a little pricey. This is a Laura Mercier setting powder. I do like the setting powder a lot. That's why I'm reaching for it. But you guys can swap this out for some Airspun. So whatever's left over my sponge, I'm just going to put that all over my face so my face is set, because I'm not using as much powder as I usually would. Next up for blush, this is very optional. Honestly, the next two to three things is optional, but I like to add color into my face, especially if you're going to try a look like this for like spring or summer. You just want to add a little bit of color. This is what makes it look young and fun. This is my favorite blush palette. Next up, this is the Glam Goddess collection, and this lash style is called Angelic. This is a very cat eye lash style. It's very sparse in the beginning, and then it gets a little bit heavier at the end, but it's still very natural. If you guys watch any of my tutorials, you guys know I like big lashes. I like to stack them on, but for a natural look, it's optional. You can just reach for mascara, but you know, I could not do that. This is optional, but this is also something I would rather you guys not skip, especially if you're wearing lashes. It kind of ties everything in together. Just tight lining your waterline with a black liner is just gonna do you wonders. So I set my face with the Morphe continuous setting spray just to lock everything in. My favorite drugstore setting spray is the Milani setting spray. I love that. I get the original formula. If you want more of a dewy finish, you can get the NYX dewy setting spray. And if you want a mattifying one, you can use the NYX or no, I think it's Kiss, the Kiss Ultra Matte Setting Spray, but you have options in the drugstore, honestly. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight just to tie everything in together, and then after that I'm lightly lining my lips. So I usually go for more of a dramatic darker brown liner, but today I'm taking Ruby Kiss. This is from the beauty supply store, and this is in like a soft brown, and I'm just using that to line my lips. So it's very natural. You would almost think this is my natural lip color, but I overline just a little bit and just have some borders on my lips. And then from Sanai Cosmetics, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Baddie gloss, which is one of my favorite lip glosses. I love how this lip gloss goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my lips, and that's it. Okay, you guys have to comment some clapping emojis for me right now. This is the fastest, easiest makeup tutorial ever. Okay, I hope I explained this. I hope this was easy for the girls that don't want to do too much. It is so soft, so light. If this looks like a lot of makeup to you, I don't know. I just think I can't do it then. Like, I don't know. I feel like this is so natural. You can tell I have a little bit of makeup on, but it's very subtle, and I love it. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I achieved this no makeup look within 10 minutes. Okay, period. This look is so bomb. I love it. This is what I like to do when I'm in a rush, but I don't want to take too much time with my products, or if I'm reaching for my like affordable products because my high-end products might be running out. Whatever the case may be, this is my go-to glam. Super easy, nothing too detailed, nothing too difficult. Hopefully this was easy for you to follow. I made this video extremely beginner friendly. I noticed that a lot of my beginner friendly videos sometimes might be a little bit intimidating because you might have 20 steps to follow, 30 steps to follow, skin prep, foundation matching. It's a lot. So I really wanted to make this easy. I hope this video was as easy as I think it is. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. That's how I know you guys like this content. Also, if you are a girl that's interested in makeup tutorials, definitely subscribe to my channel. Join the team and just do it like Nike. We do all things beauty related when we're talking about hair, makeup, and I like to keep things very affordable, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you made it this far in this video, that means you are an OG. That means you are a sister girl, okay? You a teammate. Go ahead and comment down below this secret emoji right here. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.